Hey Tony, how you doing? My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for you, which is going to show you some ways on how to get more customers every single month, how to beat out your local competition, and increase your overall online presence. I do my marketing outreach like this because I think it separates me from the millions of other marketers out there who promise an arm and a leg. And I want to show you some stuff with real substance behind it, real specific stuff to your business. I do this in the hopes that you like what you see and contact me for some marketing services. If not, no harm, no foul. These are some amazing techniques which are pretty high level stuff marketing and you can use on your own. Now I'm going to be talking about three things in this video: content, citations, and backlinks. First of all, content. I'm on the homepage of your website. Google loves content. I see you got the website made out. It looks pretty cool. I like the color combinations. And the one thing that I would say is missing is more content. More content, the better. Every so often, Google changes their ways to rank websites. Right now, they're looking for at least 2,000 words on the home page. Now, that's going to separate you from a lot of these other websites out there and put you way above them just by having a lot of content with targeted keywords inside there. So you definitely want to have that. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business information. Your business name, address, and phone number counts as one citation. Most of these things are going to be on online directories such as Yelp, HomeAdvisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages, etc. The more you have, the better. It's going to give you more authority in your industry and your space. Now, I did a quick search. I understand you do electrician work and a lot of other work as well. Regardless of what the search is going to be, it's going to look like this. So let me just break down how the customers see it. So the first thing they see are these Google guaranteed ads. It's a paid service. You could do it through Google. Second, these are the traditional Google ads, which are also a paid service through Google. Thirdly, you go on to this section, which is called the Google My Business or Google Map Pack. Here, the Google only lists the top 3 competitors, and you really want to make sure your website's on here or your business is listed right here in the top 3 spots. This will be done by having really good citations and a lot of them. It'll push you out here and move these guys out. Lastly, we go on to this section, which is called the organic section. This is the one that really legitimizes your online presence. So this happens through SEO, which is search engine optimization. What I was talking about earlier is part of it. Content. It's gonna, because Google has these bots called crawlers, they send them out to every website and it picks up any keywords or content, and whoever has the best is going to make it out here basically. Lastly, I want to talk to you about something called backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a really powerful tool. It tells me a lot about any website. So a backlink is any website pointing to your website, basically driving that traffic to you guys. So the more backlinks you have, in theory, you're supposed to have more traffic, but not every backlink is created equally. It has to be a strong one, industry relevant. So basically, a contractor should have a backlink from another contractor. If you have one from an ice cream parlor, it's not going to do any good for you. It's just going to be spammy. So right now you have 842 backlinks coming in from 17 referring domains. Looks like you're targeting 61 keywords, and right now you're getting about 35 people visiting your website every single month. Now to give you a comparison, I pulled up these other competitors. Now you can see their numbers are pretty different. They have 381 backlinks coming from 47 referring domains. They're targeting about 400 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their traffic every single month. So this is where you want to be at, and ultimately even beat these guys. So this is where you are right now. The more traffic equals more leads, equals more customers, more money to your business every single month. And I did a little search. I found out that your website is about 5.5 years old, and the last time it was updated was in 2020 in November. So you don't want to just leave your website hanging in there. You always want to be checking what's going on with your competitors, adding things, and basically keep optimizing it. So there's a lot of room for growth, which I like on your website. You can do these small things and have a big growth. So like I said, I'll keep the video short. I really hope you found this information to be valuable. I do hope to speak to you and get your feedback on it. I'll be giving you a call in a day or two to talk to you. With that, it was great making this video. You have a great day, Tony.